That's Hi guys, how are you all? Pratisha, good to see you, ma. If from next week, just a reminder, when you log in, right, you will log in using Math Rangers password. Okay, we will change the password. Make sense? From next week, whenever it is next week, I think we have a break, right, in between.
Yeah, we do.
So we don't have class, is it, next week?
Yeah, we don't.
Oh, okay, okay. Then whenever we log in
Oh,
back, can we change the password to S alone? We'll add S. Make sense? Yep. Okay.
Miss Priya, also, is it okay if I could finish the homework by next week? Because I wasn't able to do it since I had high school applications to do.
Sure, sure. You're applying outside, ma?
What do you mean?
You're applying outside of your school?
Yeah, no, because my school is only a middle school.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Good to know.
Mm.
So for that, you need to apply and go outside, is it?
Yeah, we had to take a test, the PISA, and then we also had to. Yeah.
Based on your PSAT score, will you be given high school?
PISA score is part of it, and then there's other parts too, like grades, attendance, and teacher recommendations.
Whoa, okay. Interesting. Nice. Good job. All the
Yeah,
best.
for my math PSAT score, I got like a 690 out of 720.
Oh, that's good, right?
Yeah, it's good, I guess.
Yeah, nice. English. Okay, so you did math well. That's nice.
Mm.
That's nice. Yeah, that's nice.
I got like a 1320 out of 1440.
It's piece 1440. Okay, okay. 13. Oh, that's a good score. Good job.
Thank you.
Nice. Very nice. You missed 2 questions in math?
I like think one or two questions, but those
What?
questions like, huh?
What were they on? I'm curious.
So I don't think there were like two modules. I probably got them wrong in the second module, but I think there was this one equation where it was like it was like a 2x and y x plus y equals something, but they were everything, all the coefficients and constants, they were all like fractions. So that's why.
Oh, oh, I see. I see. We can do some problems like that. Okay, I see.
Mm.
I see.
And
Fraction manipulation. Okay.
then there was another one where there was this like it was kind of confusing, but there was this like graph, not graph, how do I say, like a table, and then we'd have to fill it in, and then we'd have to only find like the percentages of certain ones and answer that according to the question. I
Uh,
don't remember it exactly, but yeah.
okay, but what was the criteria? Table was given. What were you asked to find?
So they'd put in like some only like it was a table of like 9 squares. They'd only fill in 4 squares. The other five you had to figure out. Then you had to figure out like the you had to get the percentage of like the probability of only a certain squares.
Oh, related to probability, huh?
Yeah. And then you have to answer it like out of 100, like so you'd find the percentage, basically.
So
I wish I
the
could show you, but they don't give us the test paper back.
okay, but they tell you what were the mistakes, right?
No, I'm gonna check because some of my friends said that you could probably check. So I'll
You
just check
can.
right now if I can.
You can. Okay. So, hey, Sham, one humble request to you, Sham. You cannot write answers like this. Okay, you use a piece of paper and do, Sham.
Okay, ma'am.
You got it? Yeah, because see, we don't want math to be typewritten. You got it anytime in future too.
Okay.
Makes sense? Yeah, Anish, same thing. Same thing. I don't know. If you do it like this, right, how will you be able to show work, ma? Do it in a piece of paper. Can you do that?
Okay, sorry.
Not at all a problem. I'm just telling. So you
I
build.
did it like in my maths journal though. So like I did all of the work you
Oh, and then only copied the answers in here.
need. Yeah.
Oh, that's okay then. Okay, that's okay. That's really okay then. I didn't know, right? That's why I'm asking. So were you able to tackle those problems or did you have any questions on them?
I had 2 questions.
Can we go over that first?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go over that because see, those are good set of problems for you guys. Okay, one more thing before I move on. Okay, if the school is not offering you PSAT 8-9, right? You go ahead and try and attempt PSAT 8-9 in any school that offers it. Tell your moms and dads, let them search for a school that offers PSAT 8-9. Make sense? See, for Ritisha, they offered, right? But I don't think in Frisco ISD doesn't offer
For
PSAT
us,
8.
it wasn't like an offer. It was actually mandatory.
Mandatory for PSAT 8-9. See, that's a good thing to know where you stand. See, now you know fraction manipulations are difficult. Like that, you can find out what are your areas of improvement. Dia, does basis offer?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, just check, ma. Otherwise, I'll put a note to parents as well. See, there is a place where you can go search in College Board. I just saw that there is a place where you can go search where they offer PSAT 8-9. So if you go to that website, I can share that link here. You, whoever is interested, make a note and talk to your parents. Okay, because that's what I can do from my end, right? So once you look at the see, these are the two links that I wanted to share with you. I'll share it here. Make sure you tell your parents. Got it? One is the public search link to search where the testing is done. I'm going to share that with you. That is the first link. The second link is that's a PSAT 8-9 practice test. Okay, two links I have sent it to you. You are going to make a note of it. Talk to your parents. Make sense?
Miss Priya.
I saw. How was, yeah, Yasma, Aratisha?
Oh, we also have to take it again next year to like determine which AP courses we're allowed to take. And then I just checked my score. I didn't get the exact questions I got wrong, but it told me like which areas I missed on, and that was advanced math and problem solving and data analysis.
Probability of not studied, right?
I did study it, but I probably like missed it or didn't understand it well.
Over yourself, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, I see. Okay, good to know. Okay, let me share the links with your parent, but you guys are going to talk, okay? Okay. PSAT 8-9 is something you should try. Okay, that gives you an insight of where is the scope of improvement. Ritisha, can you paste that for me? That screenshot, what you're missing, it'll tell, right? Can you paste that screenshot to me?
Sure.
Just to me in WhatsApp.
Okay.
I'll see later. Okay. Now tell me, Johan, what is your question, Johan? What is your question, Johan? Thanks.
I had a question on 15 and 16.
What is your question?
Question number 15 and 16.
Here, ma. Okay, let's
Yeah, it's
try.
the one over there.
Sure. Oh, these are percentages. I don't know. Let's see. Edna Britain's income from two stocks each year totals. Okay. From two stocks each year totals 280. Okay. Stock A pays dividends at the rate of 5% and stock B pays dividend at the rate of 6%. She has invested a total of. Okay. Income from two stocks. Okay. Okay, if she has invested a total of, let's say she invested X money in stock A, Y money in stock B, or A and B, I'll put it as A and B. A plus B, she invested 5,000, right? She split 5,000 into stock A and stock B. So A plus B is 5,000. However, dividend income is what? 5% of A she is receiving as income. So can I say 1 by 20? 1 by 20 of A is A by 20 plus 6% of stock B means, can I call it 3 by 20?
Mm,
So
mm,
3 by 50. 3 by 50. So 3B by 50, right, will be equal to 280. Does it make sense, Johan?
Yeah.
But the problem is such a, that's what she was telling, right, Ritisha? This is such a complicated fraction for you to solve. If I were you, I would not want any fractions. Fraction manipulations are always hard. Anish, you tell me, what can I do to take away the fractions from the second equation?
Turn it like into a decimal.
How to take off the fractions, ma?
By multiplying
By what?
by 20 and 50.
By 100, can I say? Instead
Yeah,
of 20 and 50. By doing it by 100. If I multiply the entire thing by 100, what happens? The equation becomes 5a plus 6b will be equal to 280, correct, guys?
Yeah.
Now I can multiply equation 1 by 5. 5a plus 5b equal to 25,000. Now after this I can subtract both the equations. So b will be equal to, when I subtract 280,000 minus 25,000. 280 minus 25,000 is what? Something feels so wrong to me. Let me see.
280 minus 25,000.
Doesn't make any sense. A by
Yeah, but I should come in.
5 by 100 of stock pays dividends at the rate of 5% and stock B at the rate of 6%. Did I do it correctly? 5 by 100 of A. 5 by 100 of A is 1 by 20, correct. And 6% is 3 by 50, correct. That will be 280, right? Okay. So I multiply by 5. I multiply by 100. Multiply by 100, everything becomes like this. Oh, okay. I multiply by 5 here. This becomes 25,000. Did we make a mistake? I don't know, guys. Let's see. So when I subtract both the equations, 280,000 minus 20, that is not making any sense. 280,000 minus 25,000. Did you check the answer, Johan?
Yeah, I think it's 3,000 and 2,000.
Yeah, I hear it. Okay, this should have been 280 multiplied by, I'm multiplying by 100, right? Oh, I am sorry. Yeah, it's 28,000, right? Correct. Yeah. So when you subtract, it's 3,000. B is 3,000. I read it as 280,000. I'm sorry, guys. So B, okay, now, Johan, where is that you didn't understand?
I guess it was just a little hard to like convert the fractions.
Yeah, fractions don't work with fractions, guys. What is the best way to remove the fractions? The least common multiple of 20 and 50 is 100, right? So multiply this by 100, multiply this by 100, multiply this by 100. So you get away with the fractions. Make sense? Anish, did you get that?
Um, yeah, I think I got it.
Okay, Ashwik, what Ashwik?
I have a question on number 24.
1 minute, ma. Let me finish Johan's questions and then come back.
Mhm.
Johan, now do you want to do this by yourself?
Sure.
Very similar, right? Johan, would you take it up or you want me to solve it on the board? You can tell me very clearly what you want to do now.
I could try on my own.
Okay, I'll move on then. Ashwik, you're not on the video. Please come on the video. We have had a bad time with one of the classes day before yesterday. Thanks. Because yeah, one of the kid was not on the video and that kid did not belong to the class at all. And one of the kids in class had the login to him who was not a part of the class, and he logged in with a name of our own student, and I let him in. He was not on the video, so it was black, and he kept on sharing YouTube videos, which was totally weird for the class amidst the class was going on. So that was not great. So that's why I really want all of your videos to be on hereafter. Okay, now let's go ahead. 24, huh? Was it 24?
Yeah, 24.
Okay, 24. How did you all do this? I didn't see this problem in this set. How did you all do this?
I had some questions like this on my math UL, but I just skipped them because I don't know how to do it.
Problem one.
Okay, in where did you have them? Where do you have them?
In my math UIL tests.
Oh, math UAL test. Okay, I'll go over it definitely. See, this comes in algebra too, but that's okay. It's not a hard one. How did you do, Johan? Were you able to do these?
No, I didn't think.
Okay. One thing what you need to understand is work done equal to rate at which the work is done times time for which the work is done. This is something you need to know. It's just equal to speed equal to distance by t, right? So what do you say? Distance equal to speed times time, right? It's just similar to that. Distance is speed times time, right? D equal to RT we used to say, right? Similarly, work done is equal to RT. Make sense?
Yes.
That you need to know, but I know you can use that. Let me take this. This is a separate subtopic that we need to cover, I feel. Okay, 24. One of you remember the answer as well, so I don't have to come back. 24. I'll check the answer. 24. What was the answer? Guys, this is a very good set. Do all the problems. It will be very easy later for you. If I 1 by 3. We'll see, guys. I'm going to share my... this is a separate topic, okay? Meaning we can't do it like this. Let's see. I'm going to share that screen for you. It's a good one. Okay. Guys, suppose if I'm able to do a work, if I'm able to clean up this room in 3 hours, right? What is the fraction of work that gets done in 1 hour? What is the fraction of work done in 1 hour?
1/3.
1/3, yeah. So 1/3 is the fraction of work that gets done in 1 hour. So that is your speed, right, with which you work. That's the rate at which you work. Times the number of hours is always equal to 1. Did you see that? Work is getting completed means it's 1. How much work gets completed is 100% work gets done means it's always equal to rate at which work gets done times time. Do you realize that? Suppose, okay, let's say, suppose I finish a task in 3 hours. Okay, you are a quick person, so you finish the task in 2 hours. We both work together. When will the task get done? For that, first I need to find out what fraction of a work will get done by me in 1 hour. What fraction of work will get done by you in 1 hour? You finish half of the work in 1 hour. I finish 1/3 of the work. So if we both work together, this fraction gets done in 1 hour, correct? That's the rate. Times, I don't know how much time I'm going to take, but work done is 100% means that will be equal to 1. Makes sense, huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
If that is the
I
case,
did I kind of did something similar. I just did 1/3 plus like, so for over there he already did 3 hours, so I did 5 by 8.
we'll see. Are you explaining this problem?
Yeah.
1 minute, Ma. So when we both do the job, right, the time taken is 6 by 5 hours. Makes sense, guys? Dia, are you able to understand this?
Yeah.
So the work done is a separate subtopic. Subtopic in the sense it requires a special separate understanding. Meaning, just like D equal to RT, work done is also equal to RT. Work done is 100% of work done only this is. So it is always 1. 100% is 1, right? 1 is equal to what fraction of work gets done in 1 hour times the number of hours you take. Make sense? So let's see this one. With that perception, let's see. Larry can paint the walls in an apartment. So rate of Larry is what? 1 by 8. In 1 hour, he can finish 1 by 8 of the work. After he has finished work. So what did he do? 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8. He did it for how many hours? 3 hours he did. So he ended up finishing 3 by 8 of the work, right? Now, Patrick joins him. Are you understanding what I did by this? In 3 hours, how much work did Larry finish? I'm writing it down. Okay, but at the end, work has to get done. all the work done should be added and done to 1. Added up to 1. Let's see. Patrick joins him and together they finish the job in 2 hours. Patrick joins him. Okay. Joins him in the sense 1 by Patrick, meaning let's say the number of hours taken by Patrick alone to finish the job is P. So his 1 hour work is 1 by P, correct?
So
But
basically, first you have to count the 3 hours Patrick works, and then after those 3 hours, you have to count Patrick and Larry.
Correct. So Patrick and Larry, meaning this is Larry, 3 hours, and then Patrick, and then they both work for 2 hours. So I multiplied by 2. Does it make sense? Equal to 1. Now let me slow down. 3 by 8 plus 1 by P times 2 will be equal to 1. But how do I take least common multiple 8P? Right? Now this becomes 3P plus 8 on top. Right? Multiplied by 2 will be equal to 1. I can rewrite that as 2 and 4, 2 and 8 get cancelled, right? 3P plus 8 divided by 4 equal to 1. I'm sorry, 4P. 3P plus 8 equal to 4P. Now, when you think about it, what I'm getting, P will be equal to 8 I'm getting. Would it take Patrick to do the entire painting job without Larry? 1 second, guys. Let me check quickly. 1 by 8, okay, of the work got done. Then for 3 hours, Patrick joins him and together they finish the job. Together they finish the job in 2. I made a mistake. Together they finish the job. Okay, I made a mistake here. What mistake did I make? Let it be there so that I can show you the error as well. Okay, let's say first Larry got working. Okay, he worked for. I made a mistake, guys. What is the mistake? Basically, what is the mistake in this equation? 3 by 8 work got done, right?
You have to include.
Yeah. So what mistake did I do? I didn't do a proper job at all. What was the mistake though?
You had to keep 1 by 3 by 8 separately, and then
Nice.
do the Larry plus Patrick together.
Correct. So how can I change this equation?
3 by 8 brackets.
Wait. The 3 by 8 of the work got done. So can I subtract the 3 by 8 here?
Yeah.
So the leftover amount of work is only 1 minus 3 by 8. Okay. Now that is done by whom? A person who can finish it in 8 hours. And we don't know Patrick's, right?
Yeah.
Times how many hours? In 2 hours they got it done. Correct?
Yes.
Does that make sense? What is the difference between the two equations? This is incorrect. This is the amount of work that got done, right? That needs to be subtracted. So the remaining work is just 5 by 8. That needs to get done by these two people in 2 hours. So this becomes 8p in the denominator, p plus 8 up, but it got multiplied by 2. Right? Here 8 and 8 will get cancelled. Now 2p plus it is a 16 will be equal to 5p I'm getting. So 3p equal to 16, p equal to 16 by 3. That is 5 by 3 hours. Patrick alone can complete the task in 5 by 3 hours. Does that make sense, Shyam?
Yes.
Go to my email. Welcome. In the welcome email, link is there. Did you get it? Ma, if you didn't understand, please ask now. These are very important questions.
Like, can you explain, you know how you got, it's like 1 by 8 plus 1 by P? Wait, how does it change to P plus 8 by P?
How did I how did I take LCM here is your question, huh?
Yeah.
Sure. 1 by 8 plus 1 by p, right? If you think about it, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, what do? You just multiply them. We don't know what is the number p. So you just multiply them and keep that as LCM. Got it?
Okay.
Now I'm changing all denominator to 8p. So I multiply by p, multiply by p. Here I multiply by 8, I multiply by 8. Make sense?
Okay, yeah.
Now what happens? P plus 8 divide by 8p. P
Okay.
plus 8 divide by 8p times 2 equal to 5 by 8. Make sense?
Yeah.
Anybody else? Any other question? Rashwin, did you get it?
Yes, auntie.
Swarit, how about you? Did you get it?
I got it.
See, you don't have to study this separately when it comes in algebra 2. Got it? Ritisha, how about you? Dia, did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. I really want to. Any other questions like this? Any other questions like this?
I had one on 28. No, it's not like that, but I just had it on 28.
Come again.
I had a question on 28.
28th. Can I bring it up in class? 1 minute. Let's see. Hmm. 1 second, guys. Okay, how about this? It's an easy question, but I would like you to try, guys. You would want it bigger. 1 minute, guys. Try this one. See, I know I'm going off the book so many times, but it will prove to be good is my honest thought. How about this? A hose fills a small pool in 40 minutes, a drain empties in 60 minutes. If both are left open, how long does it take to fill the pool? It's just work completion is always 1. But first you need to find out the filling hose. What is the rate of it? Fills a small pool in 40 minutes. So in 1 minute it fills 1 by 40th of the pool. In 1 minute the draining pipe can drain 1 by 60th of the pool. That's a clue. Try, guys. If you don't know, I'll help.
I set my answer.
Algebra. Algebra advanced math. What is it? Advanced math. Problem solving and data analysis. Okay. Yeah, I'm checking. If you didn't get it, it's okay. Anish, good job, Anish. Johan, how did you do? See, okay, practically put your answer and check. A hose, when it is on, it will fill in 40 minutes. But there is a leak through the drain tap. Then can the pool be filled in 10 minutes? No, right? It has to be more than 40 minutes for sure, right? Because there's a pipe that's draining it. That's correct, Ashwik. Correct. Shyam correct. Diya correct. Ratisha correct. Ashwin correct. I'll wait, Johan. Can I help?
Yeah.
Sure. So let's find out the rate. Work equal to rate times time, right? For each hose, I'll have to fill. I'll have to fill this in. Okay. Work completion is 1. But I always want to find the rate of the filling hose. Rate of the filling hose is what? 1 by 40. In 1 minute, 1 by 40th of the task gets done. Rate of the draining tap is what? 1 by 60. Both are working together means first the filling hose. Okay. Okay, but we don't know. Both are working together means this rate plus this rate. For in 1 hour this, but here this is draining. So minus this. So both are working together times the number of hours will be equal to the work getting done. Now what is the LCM here? Let's say this is 6 4s are 24. If I say 240, 120 I think is the LCM. So 3 minus 2. So 1 by 120 times hours equal to 1. Hours equal to 120. Does that make sense? Sorry, not hours, minutes. Make sense?
For me, I just did 140 minus 160.
Perfect, that's right.
Calculated that, and then I got 120.
Johan, is that right? Go to.
I got the equation, but then I did something really weird.
What is it?
Can I say what I did?
Yeah, please. Go ahead, Anish.
Something really weird after that.
Sorry, I didn't hear you. What was that? Anish, 1 minute. Wait, what was that?
I got to the right equations, just that I just did something really weird after that.
But you understood now?
Yeah.
Okay, Anish, go ahead.
Basically, what I did is I multiplied 40 with 60. Then it was, and then I put 40, so like 40 by 2400, and then 60.
Yeah, that's fine. I
and
got it. I
subtracted.
got it. Yeah, I got it. That's fine.
No, subtracted, not multiple plus.
Yeah, not added. Yeah, I got it. Good job. Now let's see this one. Maybe I don't want to bore you with this. How about yeah, this is a tricky question. Okay, how about this? Oh, this is a tricky question, guys. Anyway, let's see. Let's see how do you do this one. It is slightly tricky. Remember, when the task gets slowly done, then the number of minutes will be more. The rate will be slower. You have to remember that. So by mistake, if you cross substitute, it will be wrong. Meaning, if it is slower, machine B's number of minutes has to be more. Remember that. With the meaning, there are so many more problems that we can do, but I'm going to move on after this. What was that? What was that? Mixing machine. I don't know. Let's see. Have you rounded it, Ashwik?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Ma.
Then that's fine. Correct. Division E put here. Division E put here. So this VAT in 45 minutes. B works 25% slower. Johan, not really Johan. Ashwin, correct. I think that is right, Ashwin. You want to explain, Ashwin? Would you like to explain, Ashwin? It's okay. You can say I don't want to as well.
I don't really want to.
Oh, that's fine. Absolutely fine. Yeah, go ahead. Ashwik, you want to say?
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead.
So what I did is so the machine A would be 45 minutes. And since machine B works slower, we had to add 11.25 to 45.
Why 11 point? Why would you add? Meaning, yeah, A
Because it needs, since it's slower, then it takes more time.
correct. So
So
how much more? How did you calculate how much more?
I did 45 divided by 4.
Okay, 45 you split it into 4 parts. Okay,
And I got 11.25.
11.25. Then what did you? Oh, okay. So that 1/4 you added. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, that's good. Okay, so what happened?
I got 56.25.
Oh my God. Okay. Okay, let me listen to you. I don't know whether it's right. Okay.
And then I did 1 by 45 minus 1 by 56.25. And then I found these common.
Oh my gosh.
I converted both of them into a decimal because I thought it would be a little bit harder.
Okay, how did you do, Shyam? Okay, I'm listening. Okay, go ahead. How did you do, Shyam?
Same way as Ashwik.
How about you? How did you do? Oh, who else got it? Yeah, go ahead, Swarit. How did you do?
I mean, it starts off the same way, but I just like find the LCM
LCM of what? Meaning,
of
no.
45
Huh?
of these two numbers.
You know how I did? The rate at which A functions is
Yeah,
1
no, yeah, like 1 by 45
in
minus.
that 75% only B is working because rate of work is 75% of that I did. When I did that, this became 3 by 4. This one is 3 ones are 315. So B's rate was 1 by 60. This is 1 by 45. Now 1 by 45 and 1 by 60 started working together. It worked for T number of hours to make it equal to 1. So 45 times 60. So this will be 105. T will be equal to 1. T will be equal to 45 times 60 divide by 105. I don't know what I'll get though. 5 nines are 42. 21. 3 threes are 9. 3 7. So 6 threes are 180 by 7. 7 twos are 14. 40. 7 fives are 35. 50. 7 7 eights are or 7 sevens are 49. 110. You see what I mean here? Do you see the
Oh
difference in
wait, I
answer?
didn't.
Yeah,
What?
but why is this not working? Meaning, first I thought about this, but is that the way or is this the way?
I accidentally did minus.
Huh?
I accidentally did minus.
No, no, no. But Ashwik's point was 11.25 he was going to add because um it doesn't directly say that this machine B takes 1 by 4th more time, but it says the rate at which it's working is 25% slower. Sham, what do you think about these two?
I think that your way is correct now.
But why is this incorrect?
I think it's because he did 1 by 4. Except
Which one is 1 by 4? Which
Ashwik's.
Ashwik's theory of 45 by 4. See, initially I started with this only. I'll be very honest with you. First I thought it's 45 by 4, but they're discussing about the work rate was 25% slower. They never said that it is taking 1 by 4 less time. That's why I went with 1 by 45 was the rate, 75% of it it's working. Meaning 75% is the rate at which it's working was what I thought. You see there's a difference in answers, right? If you do that.
Yeah.
Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have to go with this. Okay, but in this case you divided 45 by 4. Then you got 1.25. Oh, you added that. Oh no, okay. I see what you have done because this is giving 25% slower, so you divided this. Ah, okay. So you are manipulating time with the rate. That is the problem here. So you'll have to go this route. Make sense? Rate, you'll have to calculate 75% of the rate is what? Can I go ahead? Johan, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, now we are spending a lot of time on this. Okay, let's go back. Okay, where were we on quadratics? Okay, how about this? Okay, function machine. I really wanted to solve. Function machine. We stopped it halfway through, right? Transformations we did a little. I don't want to show the money and all, but I really want to cover inverses. Yeah. 1 second. Okay, did we do linear inequalities?
Yeah.
Did we do linear inequalities? We did, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. But see, optimization is one part that we need to do. Optimization in the sense, okay, I really want to do this. Okay. How about this? Okay. Here, we have not covered this topic, but I just want to give you an introduction to this topic, meaning optimization in the sense, we will have several linear equations given, okay? But then we have to find the max or max profit that he can make or minimum profit that he can make. Something of that sort they're going to ask. So in that case, what we will do is, suppose if we are given three linear equations, okay? Sometimes you'll have to make up inequalities by yourself as well, but we will graph it. Graphing is a very good tool for optimization, and this has got a lot of practical applications in the sense, let's say, okay, let's say they've given these inequalities. 4x plus 3y is less than or equal to 21, meaning from word problems, you will frame these inequalities, okay? 2x minus y is greater than or equal to minus 2. from word problem context, if you frame your own inequalities, you have to think based on the context. Suppose X be the number of cakes, Y be the number of pounds of flour you use. You have to know that X has to be greater than or equal to 0, Y has to be greater than or equal to 0. X can't be negative value, Y can't be negative value, right? So that becomes two inequalities. If you're given a word problem, you'll frame up your own inequalities, okay? But to get started, I'm going to give you the inequalities by myself. So these three sets of inequalities are given. Now, you find out the maximum value of 3x plus 2y. You have to find the max value of 3x plus 2y. Shall we try this one? Okay. I'm going to graph this. I'm going to graph this. Then we'll see. It's going to be a lot. It's okay. Okay, let's do this, guys. Meaning, do you know how to graph it? Do you know how to graph these? Yes, no, please answer, guys.
Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah, go ahead, graph it. Let's see the one of you can share after you graph it, meaning you can use either Desmos or TA84 calculator.
I don't have a calculator.
You can use online, right? So this optimization means you're finding the max value for this expression, right? So this forms the basis of linear programming. Linear programming is solving practical context, practical problems you can really solve, making inequalities and putting them into graphs, and you can find the maximum revenue, maximum profit, anything you can find. So this is a step towards linear programming. Linear programming is a concept that comes in algebra 2, but doing this will get the step up for you to linear programming. We have solved inequalities. Swarit, did you understand the last problem? 225 minutes was incorrect, right?
Yeah, I know. I did it wrong.
Okay, but as long as you understand, I'm fine.
Yeah. Wait, what are we supposed to do on this problem? The
On this,
optimization.
yeah. On this problem, I want you to graph the inequalities first. Meaning, given a set of inequalities, you should know how to optimize this expression 3x plus 2y. Shall we try?
Oh, right. Um, Wait, am I supposed to like solve the inequalities first?
Yeah, this is going to be a hard one. Yeah, you don't need to, solve the inequalities means first you need to graph them. For graphing them, what would you do? You can't graph just like this, right? So what would you
Yeah.
do with this equation? 3y is less than or equal to 21 minus 4x.
4x.
Y is less than or equal to 7
7
minus
minus
4 by
4 by
3x.
3x.
So this is my first equation. The second equation is minus y greater than or equal to minus 2 minus 2x. And then what would I do? I'm just wondering, wait, guys.
Wouldn't you type negative?
Yeah, y is less than or equal to 2 plus
2
2x.
plus 2.
This is my second equation. Third inequality is y is greater than or equal to minus 3. First, okay, I will do this myself, guys, otherwise. I need this page. Hold on. See, one of you should at least note down this, right? Because I can't come back here if I share the TI-84.
Excuse me, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Inside the SAT ordering and registration, it says here US including US territories and armed forces. What is that?
I don't know. Can I discuss at the end of the class?
Okay.
I don't understand what you're asking me.
Inside the thing which you sent at the beginning of class, like the link to where the search testing is done.
Yeah, please, can I finish this and then come there?
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to go to Desmos and share my screen with you. If you want, I can show it in the TI-84 calculator as well. So I'll go here. The three inequalities that I got are y is less than or equal to 7 minus 4 by 3x. Y is less than or equal to 7 minus 4 by 3x. I'm writing it for you here once more. Then y is less than or equal to 2 plus 2x. Y is less than or equal to 2 plus 2x, and then y is, what was the other one? 1 second guys, I'm checking. How? Y is greater than or equal to minus 3. Y is greater than or equal to minus 3. These are the three inequalities I got. So I will go ahead and plot them. If you're given a set of inequalities and if you're asked to optimize means what should you optimize? That is also there, right? You have to optimize what was that 3x plus 2y expression is what you need to optimize. Okay, optimize means you have to find the max of that, right? Or min of that. In that case, I'm going to go ahead and plot this inequality y f of x is less than or equal to 7 minus 4 by 3x. 7 minus 4 by 3x, right? Yep. And then what? I need to go to the next one, right? Oh, guys, what is that? I don't want all that. Okay. But there's something wrong. Is less than or equal to 7 minus 4 by 3. Why? What is wrong about it?
I think the x that you put next to 4 by
Got
3.
Yes,
Yeah.
minus. Got it. But still it's incorrect. We only plot inequalities of x and y.
Oh, I don't think you're right, f of x.
Oh, no. Yeah, ma, I'll change it. This mouse, I'm not very good. Okay, but I can do it like this. Okay. Second one is what? Y is less than or equal to?
2 plus 2x.
Is less than or equal to 2 plus 2x. This is how you optimize for practical applications. Then the last one is what this one. Okay, y is greater than or is equal to 3. Okay, now you
It's
see.
negative 3.
Oh, sorry, ma. So now when you frame these inequalities, right, in the graph, right, you see these points are coming. What are these points? The end points, right? That the overlapping regions end points, right? Basically optimization, meaning the max or the min values of x and y happens at those points. So let me see what are these points first, okay? Then we'll see. What are these points? This is minus 2.5 comma minus 3. So we'll do for one problem. You'd understand the process. That's the end. That's what we want. Okay. So given the inequalities, we plot all the inequalities in a graph and then find the end point. Suppose if there's an overlapping region, we always go to the end points. Okay. And then we note these down. 2.5 comma minus 3. Okay. And then what is the next point? What is this point? 1.5 comma 5. 1.5 comma 5. 1.5 comma 5. And then what is the next point? This is how you optimize. We will do again in algebra too, but I want you to know now. 7.5 comma minus 3. 7.5 comma minus 3. Okay, so now we have three sets of points. Okay, this is where, meaning what you should optimize. You have to find the max of this, right? Now we have the expression 3x plus 2y, right? We have three different points. One is 1.5 comma 5. I substitute this into my equation and check what will happen to the value 3x plus 2y. 3 times x is 3 times 1.5 plus 2 times 5, right? So that becomes 4.5 plus 10 will be equal to 14.5. Any questions still here? Any questions still here?
No.
No? Okay, good. Next, what is the point I'm going to substitute? minus 2.5 comma minus 3. This will take long, but it's good to know the process. So I'll substitute it again in the equation for optimization, in the expression for optimization. So 3 times minus 2.5 plus 2 times minus 3. What happens, guys? Minus 6. This is minus 7.5, right? So that will be minus 13.5. Huh? Make sense? The last one is 7.5 comma minus 3. When I substitute that, 3 times 7.5 plus 2 times minus 3, this becomes minus 6, 15, 21, 22.5 minus 6. So take away 2. Take away 2, it becomes 20.5. Take away 4,
16.5.
60.5. Okay, now the max occurs at which point? Tell me. This
16.
expression is maximum at, yeah, 16. That is the maximum value. But the max occurs at, yep, 7.5 comma minus 3. Do you see? So to solve this, to optimize this set of inequalities, to optimize this expression with this set of inequalities, your x value should be 7.5, y value will be equal to minus 3. Does that make sense? You see how to do simple problems you should be able to do. Meaning given as this set of inequalities, I've deliberately given this is the set of inequalities, you know. But if it comes out as a word problem, you have to frame your set of inequalities, plot these, go for the corner points. Go for the corner points, put this into your whatever you want to optimize. Okay. So whichever is, if suppose if they ask you to find the min of this, then the solution would be this. Make sense, guys? Does that make sense?
How would you do it on the TI-84 calculator?
How do you do it on the TI-84 calculator? In the TI-84 calculator, do you know how to plot inequalities on a TI-84 calculator?
I know how to plot just certain equations. I don't know how to plot like inequalities.
Inequality, yeah. See, I taught in
Yeah, I can only plot like y equals mx plus b.
Yeah, y equals mx plus b.
What is it, ma? I didn't get
I
it.
only know how to do the y equals mx plus b.
Oh, you don't know how to plot the inequality, huh?
No.
Okay, I'll do that. I can do, hold on. But if I go there, will this go? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it is not going, but it is intervening like mad. Okay, let's see. I can't do with this, right? Wait, let's see what to do. I can't move this. Let me see what I can do. Ah, that's better. You're able to see the T84 calculator?
Yeah.
Okay, good. But half of it is getting cut, right? Whatever I wrote, right? Doesn't matter, guys. You're able to see the T84. First, let me show you how to plot inequalities. It's important that you know. I taught the Algebra 1 class already. So let's see. So see, these are not part of the book and that's why it's consuming a lot of time, okay? But it's okay as long as you understand these. So now you have to plot the inequalities, right? Go to this y equal to. You all know how to type in equations, right? Okay. So for plotting the inequality, right? See, everything is equal to, there's no inequality here, right? But what you can do is you can see, use this button, see, you go there, right? When you go there to that blue color, right? Press enter. Okay, there is a line there. You see, come to that line. When you come to that line, right? You go press enter there. No, wait. Go there. No, go up. I really want to edit that line.
I think you click the left and the right.
Right arrow, correct, ma, correct. So when you click the right and left arrow, right, this right upper triangle says it is going to shade whatever is above the line. Lower triangle says it's going to shade whatever is below the line. Does that make sense? Now the first one is whatever is below the line I'll have to shade per my equations. Three inequalities are there, right? So I will do that and say okay. Now it's going to shade below the line. Now I'll come here and type 7 minus 4 by 3x. 7 minus 4 by 3 x. Make sense? I'll go to the next one. This is also less than or equal to. Again, I'll use the arrows, go there, come down, and then what do I do? Less than or equal to, right? So let me go ahead with that. So it should be a lower triangle. Okay. Then press OK. Enter. Enter. Then come out. You'll press 2 plus 2x. Then the next one is greater than or equal to, right? So I use the same thing, but this time I'll use a different one. Meaning it should be the upper triangle, correct? So, yeah, this one. So now enter. So come here. This is greater than or equal to -3, right? I do that. See, here you need to be very careful, guys. -3 is this minus, guys. If you make a mistake, it's also a problem. Meaning, I go to the left, it's a -3. This minus, don't use that subtraction, you will get an error. Okay, -3. Now when I graph it, do you see? Does it make sense? Okay, now it's a little difficult, no doubt. I understand where you're going, but then see, calc, then go to intersect. I did not solve this difficult a problem. We solved inequalities in algebra 1, the class, but then this sort is tough. I'll tell you why. Go to intersect. It is not going to tell you that easily. It's not going to tell you what is the intersection point that easily. So you will have to define what is your first curve, what is your second curve. See, it is asking, right? First curve, second curve means what is my left bound, what is my right bound, to find the intersection point. So I don't want my first curve to be there. I want it to say the x value between, see, the x value should be between this. Okay, now press enter. And then it is asking me for the second curve, right? Yeah, second curve, my x value can be here. Yeah, x, yeah, can be here, because between those 2 points I need the intersection. Do you see? Now it tells me the intersection correctly. Correct, guys? Similarly, this is 1.5 comma 5, right? That's the first intersection which I have written on the board. Similarly, come down for finding the second intersection, right? Intersection is here, but you can't go there, press what is the value. It is very difficult. That will not be correct. So what you need to do, come here. You have to find the intersection. Again, you have to press calc, find the intersect for the second point. Now you are up there. That's not your intersection. You have to find the second point, right? So come to an x value here. See that x value. So this intersection point is between which 2 points you need to understand. This intersection point, left bound can be this, right bound should be somewhere here. Between that you need to find the intersection, right? So yeah, first curve. First curve means the left bound where you need to find the intersection. Yes, that's correct. So press enter here. Now it is asking, hey, can I have the second curve there? No, that's not what I want to have. I want to have elsewhere. So here, do you see, guys? Now press enter. Second, the right bound is given. So the calculator now knows to know that it has to find the intersection between these two x points. Now if you press enter, why, what is going on? If you press, where is the second curve? 1 second, guys. I don't even see where is the second curve. I'm sorry. I think I lost it. Second curve, I want somewhere here. It's gone. Wait, second calc, intersect. This is the best way to do though. But let's see. First curve is, where is that first curve? Okay, that's the curve. Second curve, I will have to find the second curve. So let me move that. Not moving at all. Oh. Yeah, x equal to 9 point should be fine, I feel. Let me, second curve intersection. Oh, again it goes there. No. Then we did not fix the first curve and second curve properly. Let me see. First curve, okay, again, second calc, intersect. I did not select the first curve and second curve properly. So let me see. Okay, this is okay, first curve. Second curve should be somewhere here. I don't. Yep, that is okay still, I feel. Let's see. Second curve, enter. Yes, yeah. Do you see? Do you see we got the third point? Now come here. Set the intersection properly. You can have any point you can have, but your intersection point should be between that, okay? Now again, go to second calc, go to intersect. You have to find the left bound and right bound, right? So let's see. Anywhere you can go. Okay, first curve, that is correct. But it should be before that and 1 point should be after that for the second curve. Yeah, that's correct. Enter. Yeah, it gave. Make sense, guys? Did you understand how to plot inequalities? Okay, using T84, you can plot inequalities. Please check all your Algebra 1 EOC answers. Using T84, you can take your calculator to school. Okay, make sure you get 100% in Algebra 1. Don't abuse the calculator. First solve. For checking, use this. Make sense? Any questions for me? I'll give you some optimization problems. Okay, we'll do 10 problems for homework. Okay, but please do. Okay, we don't need to follow this book, I feel, but I'll give you optimization problems. Okay. This book makes it hard. If you want try out problems in the corresponding exercise, the exercise number here is 9.5. 9.5 and review problems of 9 you can do, but I'm not forcing you to do. I'm going to give you separate set of linear programming problems that are relatively easy. Okay. Any questions? Okay, guys. Then we'll stop here. Have a nice break. Come back after the break. We'll see you soon.
Okay.
Bye, guys. When you come back, the
Bye,
password
Sunny.
is
Bye.
Math Rangers.
Huh?
When you come back, the password will be Math Rangers. S will be added.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye bye.